Hello everyone, welcome to Elliott Wave AnalysisCash.com YouTube channel. This is Henry and today is February 12th. So here is the chart of the US dollar yen. 60 minutes time frame here, guys. So we have ended with A intermediate degree here, with B ended here as a zigzag. So now we are in the select lower. Okay, in the select lower, and as you know, ABC zigzag is a 535 structure. The select is going to be subdivided into 5 waves, and we will be ending with one of C very soon. A bit more downside to finish the entire 5 waves down, and then from there we should be getting a 3 days rally to correct this 5 waves down, followed by more downside again later on. So overall, therefore, we are expecting a larger degree pullback in the USD yen. Now, based on this AB though, the larger time frame remains to be bullish, and if we zoom out now to the daily time frame, so let's copy some of the count here, some of the label. This A is right here, and this is the B. Okay, so we're looking for a larger degree correction, at the least correcting this cycle at the least from April low. And we are about to break below the A, which will confirm this bearish sequence, the lower low I mean. And the downside target, the minimum downside target in this case is going to be this 150.3 all the way to 145. Now this move down ideally does not reach 145, because if it does, then this entire move inside of APC could become a 1, 2, 3, right? So ideally it should be the target lower should be between 145.80, 150, and then from there we can get a reaction higher, either going to new high or at the least some sort of reaction higher right here. Okay, so shorter cycle looking for more downside and looking for rally to fail below 157 in 3 swings for further downside. Alright, so that's the update here, and as always, if you want to get more updates on the USD yen or other Forex, commodities, indices, feel free to check our service. We have 14 days trial, and you can use the link in the description of the video. I'll see you all again next time, and have a nice day everyone.